warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Xin chào Vietnam. Welcome to our Lampung province. Lampung is very big province. There are many culture. One of them is ceremony wedding in Lampung, and I want to show you wedding ceremony in Lampung. Let's check it out.
Senti, niku jadi jelma tolong, udah dan tengis kok, akahan. Mulutku jadi bisu, niku jadi ubat dan timbal. Amo yang gocek-gocek dan tunggu cumi ijaz segala macam, niku ngehambat, mungkin niku nggak tahu ibu. Pada tinggal 10 menit kok, mau saya. Saya begitu yang dapat saya sampaikan saat ini, insya Allah ini bisa bermanfaat.
Hai Ferry Yunisa.
Iya.
Aku nikahkan anak-anakku dengan mas kawin.
Saya terima nikahnya Siti Aisyah binti Sahmi dengan mas kawin tersebut.
Kepadamu, kepadamu.
Siti Aisyah binti Sahmi dengan mas kawin tersebut.
Praise Allah for sending me you, my love. You found your home, it's here with me, and I'm here with you. Now let me let you know, you've opened my heart. I was always thinking that love was wrong, but everything was changed when you came along. Oh, and there's a couple of words I wanna say. For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true, to the end of my time. I'll be loving you for the rest of my life. Through days and nights, I'll thank Allah for opening my eyes. Now and forever, I'll be there for you.
How beautiful that. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.